There's not much to do when all I
Hello you guys, what's up? Hi, my name is Sanjukta. So today in this video I'm gonna create a New Year Eve party makeup. So मैंने अभी भी कुछ प्लान नहीं किया है कि which makeup I will create and which look I will create. मेरा बस अभी मन किया, कैमरा ऑन कर लिया and मैं बैठ गई नहा धा के. Then I have thought let's make a video for New Year. Also I have done my proper skincare which I have not recorded it because you guys already know that what I do mostly, but since this winter I have changed my moisturizer which is Mamaearth nourishing cold cream, and yeah, recently I am using this, otherwise everything is same. And if you don't know my skincare routine, then watch this video, you will know everything about my skincare routine. Also this video gonna be a chatty video. मैं बहुत सारा बात करने वाली हूँ. Still I don't know कि मैं क्या शेयर करने वाली हूँ आप लोगों के साथ. मैंने सोचा चलो थोड़ा चैटी वीडियो करते हैं so that you will get chance to know about me. That's why most of the time chatty video getting very long, so ये बोरिंग भी हो सकते हैं. अगर मैं देखती हूँ कि वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो गया तो मैं इसको फास्ट फॉरवर्ड कर दूँगी और मैं अपना वॉइस म्यूट में डाल दूँगी. सो देन यू कैन ऑल्सो एंजॉय दिस गेट रेडी विथ मी वीडियो फॉर न्यू ईयर इफ पार्टी लुक वॉट एवर इट इज. मैं इंट्रोडक्शन ही कितना बड़ा कर दिया. सो प्लीज़ ग्रैब योर हॉट कप ऑफ टी और कॉफ़ी और हॉट चॉकलेट बिकॉज इट्स winter. I will start with applying primer. Okay, so मेरे पास अभी है Inside Cosmetics Pore Minimizer Primer. I have heard so many good reviews about this, so that's why I have bought this. Also it's a very inexpensive product, so why not. But yes, as you can see, this is a very tiny tube, but if it works good then never mind. Oh freaking goodness, कितना ज़्यादा ले लिया. Okay, mine I'm applying in my T-zone area because in this area you can see open pores, so we need to blur it all my open pore. Oh my goodness, it's really blurring out my pores. Are you kidding me? Trust me guys, this primer is amazing. Pause this video and placed it order. See my pores. Oh my goodness, this camera will not catch this. Yeah, I am done with my primer. Okay, now it's time for foundation and I am again using this Maybelline का foundation. Yeah, why my face is looking like this? Because I am tired of using this foundation. I need a good, a new, a very good hair coverage, medium coverage and affordable foundation. मेरा एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, मैं ना मॉल में जाके स्वच्छ करके खरीदना नहीं चाहती हूँ. So this is my problem, and because in mall I can get any offer, that's why I want to buy foundation from online only. But in online I can't choose my shade, that's why I am still stick to this foundation and I am tired of this. But yeah, this foundation is very good for teenager, it's amazing. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल. और एक फाउंडेशन का बॉटल तो पूरे साल क्या 1.5 साल चले जाएगा अगर आप इसको रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हैं तो. फाउंडेशन इज़ अमेजिंग टू ब्लर आउट योर pores. Yeah, also it names pore foundation, that's why maybe. I am pretty much done, but still I need to hide my dark circle, so yeah, take a little bit. Yeah, I'm done. मैं nowadays I don't use concealer, अपने फाउंडेशन से काम चला लेती हूँ. Can you see? It's instantly hide my dark circles. Oh my goodness. Also, if you want higher coverage with your this kind of foundation, then go for the makeup brush. They will give you higher coverage or medium coverage. Apply this like this, not this. Okay, it will work well. Yeah, I am done. थोड़ा बहुत अपना उंगलियां घुसा दूंगी to blend it well. Yeah, I am done. एक काम कर लेती हूँ, बनाना पाउडर अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ. अगर इससे काम हो जाता है इट्स ओके, क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. सो फॉर दिस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस brush. It's amazing. Now you know why it's amazing. Oh yeah, I am using this palette from Wet n Wild contouring palette. People who watch my videos regularly, they know all my makeup products, because since 2 years I am using same products and I am tired of it. I need new products. Guys, are you listening to me? ये ठंडा हो जा रहा है. Okay, next I'm gonna do my eyebrow, and for this I'm going to use this wonderful, amazing, beautiful eyebrow pencil, which is also very inexpensive, because in market there is so many eyebrow pencils which is also very good, like NYX, Benefits, but those are very expensive. But people like us, it's not possible to afford those kind of products, isn't it? So here I am for you guys with this product, which is affordable. So it has spoolie. I forget to show you guys. So पहले मैं इसको comb कर लूँगी to separating my eyebrow here. Then I gonna draw my eyebrow, because this part is my favorite. Also, you guys know tomorrow is Christmas and कल मेरा छुट्टी नहीं है. I need to go my office. That's why I'm not that excited, because I need to go to my office and I am really angry with my admin. If you are watching this, I will not spare you. Oh, what I was talking. So yesterday I went to New Market to bought Christmas cake. So I went to the very famous and renowned bakery shop. So they are Anglo-Indian actually. So since 1930 they are making this kind of bakery things. So that's why I went to this place to oh, by the way, using this blush from this Makeup Revolution. One second. From this, yeah, Makeup Revolution, and this is the palette. As you can see, from this color palette, I'm going to use this one, and as you can see, it's very pigmented. Instantly, it gives me stain on my apple of my cheeks, and as you can see, it's pretty much done. I don't know कि क्यों मैंने पहले blush apply कर लिया है, बात करते करते मैं भूल ही गई हूँ. Okay, so it's time for the eye, because as I have said, I'm going to create New Year festive or Eve party makeup. So for this, eye look is very important. It should be a chunky, it should be a partying, but as I have said, I haven't planned anything about my today's look, so I need to open my eyeshadow palette. उसके बाद अगर मैं अपना कलर पैलेट को देख लेती हूँ, अगर कुछ आइडिया आते हैं, then I will create something. Here is my color palette, as you can see, and I need to think about this. मैंने थोड़ा अतरंगी eyeshadow look सोच लिया है, but before doing this, I am going to create a crease with this palette, contour palette. Creating crease line on your eyelid, it's important, especially if you have so much space on your eyelid area. So it will give you a curve and shadow look. Please pray for me कि ये अच्छा निकल के आए, because I am creating this look for you guys, so ये अच्छा होना चाहिए, right? So let's get into this palette. Okay, अपना हेयर थोड़ा कम कर लेते हैं. Okay, from this palette I'm going to pick this shiny on chunky yellow color. It's not that yellow, it's a little bit golden color, so I'm going to take this one. Maybe this brush will work good. Okay, let's see. Also this palette has wonderful mirrors, so I'm going to use this one. This you have to put up pressure, okay, otherwise it will not popping up. I hope you can see this. Yeah, because in my camera it will not catch a lot. As you can see how I am applying, like this. I'm just putting a pressure on my eyelid. Yeah, yesterday we have celebrated Christmas at my office. It was fun. If possible, then I will put those pictures on my screen. Yeah, I am pretty much done with my first step. Okay, next will be the crazy thing. So I have thought to apply this Atrangi blue color. I mean, sorry, it's a electric blue color. So for this I am going to use this brush, because these kind of brushes are good for putting pressure on your eyelid, so that's why I have picked this brush. Putting a pressure so that it pick maximum color from this. I'm trying to concentrate on my work, so that's why I'm silent right now, not talking a lot. Just look at the process I am doing. Okay, it's little bit giving a ombre effect. As you can see, the middle portion is like mix of these two colors. Yeah, I am done. मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. As you can see, I think it's looking great. So पहले दूसरा आई लुक कर लेती हूँ, उसके बाद हम लोगों को समझ आएगा कि ये लुक कैसे आया है. I guess I am done with my eye look, and tell me what's your thought about this eye look. Though it's not fully done, still I am liking this. So देखते हैं आगे कैसे लगते हैं. Okay, now it's time for lots of mascara. So for mascara I'm going to use this my old school mascara and by Maybelline, because Maybelline का mascara is amazing. They are lovely. So yeah, and also these are very affordable, and if you bought these mascaras on sale, you will get more discount. So yeah, within 250 230 you will get these mascaras. Can you see the instant difference after applying this mascara on this eye? I have told you na, these are amazing, and also in camera it's not catching properly. So also guys, tell me what's your new year plan. I'm going to apply on my lower eyelashes. It's important, it will give you broader eye look. Also I'm giving you tips that how to apply mascara. See, don't apply like this, apply like this. It will give you more coverage. Yeah, I am pretty much done. And okay, next I am going to highlighting my inner corner of my eyes, and for highlighting I am using this palette and picked up this highlighter shade. I am done with my highlighting my inner corner. Okay, next I am going to use this Fenty liner. As you can see, this is by In Color. Trust me, this Fenty liner is amazing, and I'm not going to apply liner all over my eyelid. I just drag a line from here to give it a longer look, longer eye. So yeah, that's. Can you see? It's looking so pretty. Yeah, I am fully done with my eye look, and yeah, also I'm really interested to show you the packaging of this Fenty liner because I really like this and it's very classy. If you want to buy any Fenty liner, then go for this. It's amazing. It's pigmented and Fenty is very sturdy, so it's very easy to apply. Okay, my mascara have dried, so that's why I'm going to curl my eyelashes so that I can get more voluminous eyelashes. Also, it's a pro tip for you guys. You can apply this. Oh my goodness, can you see the difference? So now I'm going to apply highlighter and I am craving for this. So for highlighter I'm going to use the old school and it's a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. As you can see how it's looking, and for this I am using this fan brush. Also, so many of you asked me about this mirror, that from where I have got this mirror. So I have made a video on Miniso haul, so you can watch this video. You will get so many information about Miniso, and also you can enjoy the Miniso haul because they have so many cute stuff. That's why look at this, like I am glowing from within. This can be a perfect example for this highlighter. I really like this. Also, I am applying highlighter on my chin area, on my cupid bow, a little bit on my nose to get a sharp look. Oh my god. To apply, yeah, a little bit on my forehead. Also, I am confused which lip shade I need to use, but still I will go for the light shade or nude shade. So for this I have picked this one. This is by My Glam and it's, I guess its name, oh my goodness, इसमें ना वो लिखा हुआ था and now you can see it's removed, so I can't remember the name. If I found it the name, I will mention it over here. So I really hope that it will look good on me. So yeah, I guess I am pretty much done. Is this giving me a oranges look? Because I don't like that much. I want more light and warm tone, brown tone. Okay, I have picked this one. This is Retro Matte Gloss by PAC and this shade is Adore and shade number is 40, and I really like the packaging of this liquid lipstick. It's amazing. Also, I really like this nude color. It's very light and perfect nude color. If you done a very good makeup, then this lipstick will go amazing. So after a long time I am going to use this one. Also the applicator is amazing. It's very tiny and convenient to apply on your lips. How it will work, I can feel it actually, how convenient to apply your lipsticks. Yeah, now I like it, this lip shade on me. And yeah, I am pretty much done. I just want to wear a earring. Okay, I am going to wear these two. I hope it will look good on me. Yeah, it's looking good and classy. This is my final look. I hope you like this look. मैंने सोचा था कि पार्टी लुक करूँगी तो थोड़ा बहुत चंकी एंड ज़्यादा ग्लोई एंड ब्लैक लगेगा, बट नो, इट्स लुकिंग वेरी सटल एंड गुड. अगर मैं पार्टी लुक करूँगी तो इट विल लुक वेरी चंकी एंड ज़्यादा ग्लोई एंड ब्लैकिश, but no, it's really looking good and glowy, fresh, subtle look which I really love. And yeah, I am done. Also, it's looking very good on off camera. I really like this look. So yeah, that's all about it of today's video. I hope you will love this look. And if you want more makeup look like this, then comment down, will make video for you guys. I will love to do it. Also let me know in the comment section below what other video you want me to do. I will definitely make those video. And if you create this look, then please tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. I am very active there. Also enjoy your new year party, throw all your negativity and walk into the 2022. And I hope this new year will be great new year for you. So I will see in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye and happy new year. Love you.